Hey class, Mr. Fozo here. We're just going to be going over some basic inequalities today. Okay, so we're going to start off looking at the graph of y is less than or equal to 2x plus 2. Now to graph this, we're going to make it easier by splitting the equation into two parts, and it'll make it a lot easier to see. Here we have the equation split into two parts. The first is y equals 2x plus 2, and the second, y is less than 2x plus 2. We know how to graph the first part, y equals 2x plus 2, so we'll start there. Here we have the basic xy plane, and we're going to start off with finding the y-intercept where x equals 0. As you can see, when x equals 0, y must equal 2, so we went ahead and plotted that point. From here on, we can see that the equation has the slope 2 to 1, or 2 over 1. So when x equals 1, you can see that y equals 4. When x equals 2, y equals 6. When x equals negative 1, y equals 0. And when x equals negative 2, y equals negative 2. This is where we bring in the less than sign. We had y is equal to 2x plus 2, but now y is less than or equal to 2x plus 2. And to see what that means exactly, we can go ahead and plug in a few points to this new equation. When x equals 0, you can see that y is less than or equal to 2. So if you look on the graph where x equals 0 right here, you can see that any y value that is less than 2 will be below it. Same goes for when x equals negative 1. Then y has to be less than 0. So here where y is 0, it can also be any number less than that because x is negative 1 right here. So to conclude, if you were to take any single point such as this point, or any of the points in between, you could get the same y is less than or equal to, and it would be all the values directly below it. So, to graph this, you will graph the y is equal to 2x plus 2, and then where y is less than or equal to 2x plus 2, you just shade in. And that is how you graph an inequality.